Hey, what's up? I'm Sam Hauser, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Color Designer plugin for Adobe Xd. Color Designer lets you improve your workflow with colors by generating tints, shades, and color harmonies. Alright, let's see how we can use it in our design process. You're working on a visual identity for your company and need to flare it up with colors that fit with your brand. Let's open up the Plugins panel and select Color Designer. A drop-down menu will appear with all your options. The colors saved in your Assets panel will show up on the left for you to choose. If you select Tints, it shows your color's tint all the way down to white, and you can use the slider to show more or less steps. If you select Shades, it will show your color's shade all the way down to black, where you can also use the slider for different amounts. Color Harmonies is my favorite feature, where you can see the complementary, analogous, split complementary, triad, square, and rectangle harmonies of your color. You can easily hover over a color and click the plus icon and save it to your Assets panel. It works great for finding other colors that work with your brand. Color Picker gives you a grid of colors to choose from: green, blue, red, orange, purple, yellow, and gray. The last feature is Images, where it generates photos you can license on Adobe stock that have the same color scheme as your brand, from backgrounds, textures, patterns, and more. Once you're back into your workspace, all the colors you saved are in your Assets panel for you to use. In the past, when I worked on style guides for brands, I wanted more color options to throw in the design. The thing is, not all colors work together. That's why the Color Designer plugin is perfect for generating alternatives while speeding up your design process. I'm Sam Hauser, and I hope that helped.